project by SM High-Tech Developers. Imperial Tower. Your kingly life starts here. When you step into Imperial, you step into exuberance. The grand entrance welcomes you to the world of Imperial. World full of luxury and opulence. Each step becomes a step towards grandeur and comfort. When you look at it from the sky, your inner voice tells you, this is it. It's your piece of paradise. You want to see it, feel it, and own it. The grandeur makes Imperial vibrant and vivacious. It makes the Imperial stand tall like a beacon of bliss. And the feeling gets stronger when you see the triumphal arches, Gothic domes. Roman architecture gives you a taste of wealthy, elite life. Imperial Towers are situated on the National Highway NH48. The project is in the heart of Taloja Phase 2, the starting point of Navi Mumbai metro network. It is a suburb of Navi Mumbai connected to Taloja, the metro city. It is quickly emerging as one of the most influential residential hubs. Taloja is a locality that is brimming with multiple premium residential projects. Taloja Phase 2 offers great connectivity. Located near the most connected location in Navi Mumbai, Taloja offers immense connectivity, be it metro, bus, railway, airport, and bus service networks. It is the most enigmatic tower, situated in the most convenient location, standing on the strong foundation of excellence and trust. Imperial stands tall with its luxurious affordability. You can walk to the metro station and drive to the railway station. You can reach Central Park or the golf course Kharghar in a few minutes, and in future catch a flight within 15 minutes drive. And when you get down, you get mesmerized